So over here, you can see that I already have a window right here. And then you can see that there is a text document right here in that particular computer. Let me just go ahead and open it out. On my computer as well, I have a text box. So I'm just going to go ahead and let's say, for example, open out a particular document right here, just like this. And let me just go ahead and type in sample sentence right here, just like this. Let's just go ahead and then copy and paste this out by pressing Ctrl C and V. So now what you can actually also do is press Ctrl C on one computer and then go around over here. Let's say, for example, in the text writing area, press Ctrl V, and you can see that I can actually go ahead and then paste the sentence out right here as well. So if I were to go around over here, you can see the word image sequence. So I can go ahead and press Ctrl C over here on my keyboard. Then I can come back onto the application which I have in my computer, press Ctrl V, and you can see that it is copied out. So as long as the clipboard option is turned on when you connect, let's say, for example, let me just go ahead and close this, and I'm going to go around over here. Let's say, for example, I'm going to go ahead and then send out a request from my other computer so that I get the option right here. So as the other computer actually sends the request, you can see that there's options like you allow to use clipboard. As long as this is turned on, what happens is that you will be able to copy and paste out the contents from one computer to other from AnyDesk. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.